Distractions are everywhere, from the buzzing phones to the endless notifications. But what if I told you there is a way to conquer them? Create a distraction-free environment. Clear your workspace and keep only essentials out of sight, out of mind. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break. Repeat these, keep your mind fresh and focused. Turn off notifications. Those pings and dings can wait. Focus on your task at hand. Prioritize your task. Write down what needs to be done and tackle them one by one. No multitasking. Take care of your mind. A few minutes of meditation, breathing can help you to stay calm. It's all about creating habits that supports your goal, kill those distractions and take control of your time.